morning, boys and girls. Today for our writing, we are going to write about our spring break. So on the top, we're going to write the date so that way we remember what date we were writing. April is the 4th month, so we're going to write 4 dash. Today is the 5th, so we're writing 4-5 dash 2021. Okay, so we are writing about our spring break. You can go ahead and draw a picture if you want to draw your picture first about what you did. First, let's think. Okay, I'm getting ahead of myself. For the writing process, first we have to think. So I want you to write about your spring break. So let's take a second and think about what we did over spring break, or what was the most fun thing that we did over spring break. Okay. My most fun thing that I did over spring break was that I went and we got ice cream. I love ice cream, and I was so excited that we went and we got ice cream. So I'm going to draw me. I need an arm, I guess. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. In this hand is the leash. And it goes like here. Then there's a willow head. I don't know how Willow's head goes. I got a willow on the leash. And her ear was up a little bit. And her tail was wagging. Wow. Alright. Willow looks kind of nothing like this, but that's okay. So that way you know who this is. I'm going to label my picture Willow. This is me. My hair was wavy like this kind of that day. Give me some eyes. Okay. And then in this hand, I am going to how do I draw an ice cream? I don't know. There's my ice cream. Okay, my ice cream's in a cup. So I can label, remember we can point ice cream, ice cream. Alright, we went to get ice cream. Here's my picture. I labeled it. I have to color it, but I'm going to do that later. Now I'm going to write. On spring break, you can use this as your starter, okay? On spring break, and then you tell me what you did. I got ice cream. I want you to try telling me 2 sentences. On spring break, I got ice cream. It was so yummy. And notice, here's my period, but this is an exclamation point. It was so yummy. I'm saying that sentence with enthusiasm. I'm so excited that my ice cream was yummy. So I want you to tell me one thing that you did over spring break, but tell me 2 sentences about it. So, on spring break, I went to Grandma's house. It was fun. On spring break, I went to the zoo. It was fun. On spring break, I stayed home. I played outside. It was fun. Okay? Tell me what you did on spring break, but try to tell me at least 2 sentences. So when I look at your paper, when you turn it in, I'm going to be looking for 2 capital letters. Since you have 2 sentences, and the first letter of each sentence is capital, I'm also going to be looking for 2 ending points, 2 punctuations, since you have 2 sentences. It's okay if they're both periods, but mine was exciting, so I used an exclamation point. You don't have to use an exclamation point. Yours can be 2 periods, and that's okay. It can be 2 of these. I'm just going to be looking that you have 2 capital letters for at least 2 sentences, and that you have 2 punctuation marks. I'm going to be looking for your picture. I'm going to be looking for labels in your picture, and I'm going to be looking to see that your picture is colored. Okay? I want you to take your time. Adding details to your picture is another way that we add details to our writing too. And I'm glad that you guys all had such a super fun spring break and that you guys had fun. And I can't wait to see your pictures and read your writing.